Speedy cars. What stops them going faster? To perform this activity, it would be an advantage if you had the view timing set. The ramp is custom made for time and speed work. It's a support with a wooden track that can be altered to give steeper and shallower slopes. The ramp is fitted with two magnetic proximity switches, which detect the magnet that's fitted to the base of the car as it travels down the ramp. In this activity, the slope will be at the same angle. The change will be to the slope's surface. Each will have a different level of friction. The learning experiences covered in this activity are time as a measure of speed, collecting data and drawing tables of data, making comparisons, normal values, finding out one thing from another. Decide on the best angle for the slope. The car needs to be able to run down the highest friction surface, the carpet, without having to be pushed. If you find that level 2 is too slow, raise the slope to level 3, but raise the height of the end of the ramp to reduce the angle. Connect the magnetic switches fitted to the track to view. The switch at the top must be plugged into input A and the one further down into input B. Make sure that the magnet is secured to the underside of the car. Connect View to the computer, open the EasySense software and select Timing. Select Time, then from A to B. Click on Start. Revisit how timing works. Perhaps do several runs on the plane surface to show that you always get the same speed. Click on Stop. Click New and Finish to clear the data. Then click on Start. Position the car at the top of the plane surface ramp, release it and let it roll down on its own. Repeat this 3 times and compare the results. Change the surface of the ramp and repeat until all 4 surfaces have been used. Each surface has 2 sides, therefore 4 surfaces. The key to understanding and developing this activity is making sure the students accept the consistency of the results and that the only change that affects the car's speed is the surface.